how to turn off show go to button on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off show go to button on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to Samsung internet browser and click this three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings. Now scroll down until you find the web page view and scrolling, and after you click on it, here you will see it show go to button. Now just click on it if you want to turn it off, and as you see it have been turned it off. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.